Hey there, fellow adventurers! Welcome back to Everything RVs and More. I'm your road-ready guide, ready to tackle the bumps on your RV journey. In today's video, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of RV life. Yes, those unexpected problems that can pop up when you least expect them. But fear not, we've got your back with practical solutions to keep your wheels rolling smoothly. So buckle up and let's hit the road. First, pit stop tire issues. Every RVer's nemesis. Whether it's a flat tire or uneven wear, it's crucial to address these problems pronto. Start by checking your tire pressure regularly. Invest in a quality tire pressure monitoring system to catch issues early. And don't forget the spare. Make sure it's in good shape and properly inflated. If you spot uneven wear, it might be time for a wheel alignment. Remember, a well-maintained tire is a happy tire. Next up, the watery woes. Leaky faucets, clogged pipes, or mysterious water puddles can turn your cozy home on wheels into a soggy nightmare. Check for leaks regularly and replace worn-out seals promptly. For clogs, a trusty plunger or some eco-friendly RV septic pipe cleaners can work wonders. And don't forget to winterize your plumbing systems before the cold hits. Frozen pipes are a definite no-go. Now let's shine a light on electrical glitches. Flickering lights, dead batteries, not the ambiance you signed up for. Ensure your battery connections are tight and corrosion-free. Invest in a multimeter to troubleshoot electrical issues and carry spare fuses. Solar panels are also a fantastic addition to keep your batteries juiced up, especially during those off-grid adventures. The joy of extra space with slide-outs, but they can be a source of headaches too. If your slide-out is misbehaving, check the tracks for debris and lubricate them regularly. Sometimes it's a matter of recalibrating the system. Consult your RV manual for specific instructions. And remember, a little TLC goes a long way in keeping those slide-outs smooth and trouble-free. Last but not least, let's unfurl the mystery of awning issues. Stuck, torn, or reluctant to roll up, these are not the vibes you want when setting up camp. Keep your awning clean to prevent mold and mildew, and lubricate moving parts regularly. If it is stuck, a gentle nudge might do the trick. For tears, invest in a reliable awning repair kit, a quick fix to get you back under the shade. There you have it, folks, our roadmap to conquer the 5 most common RV problems. Remember, a proactive approach to maintenance is your best travel companion. You can find some of these products on our store, everythingrvsandmore.store. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on Everything RVs and More, the YouTube channel. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for those regular doses of RV wisdom. Until next time.